On September 29, 2022, Hurricane Ian devastated the Cinnamon Cove community in Fort Myers. A 3-foot wall of seawater swept through the area, submerging the community and destroying everything in its path. Around the Fort Myers area, the hurricane storm surge reached 15 feet, accompanied by Category 4 winds at 150 miles per hour. Cinnamon Cove Association 4 large, 3-story condominiums roofs took a severe beating that required quick attention. After quote approval, to complete the project on time, Seacoast assembled a 30-person roofing crew, which made a significant difference. Seacoast also used a private inspector to expedite the process, avoiding delays from the county. Seacoast has cultivated strong relationships with multiple suppliers and manufacturers, enabling us to receive priority service largely due to our quick payment. This strategic partnership approach ensures Seacoast customers get their materials expedited and delivered on time, without delays or additional fees. Seacoast's 4-roof condominium project took 6 weeks to complete, despite having to contend with rain and wind during the build. In contrast, the neighboring association's 3-roof project of the same size went with the cheapest contractor. That contractor caused extensive damage to the landscape and newly built carport Seacoast had installed, and took 10 weeks longer to complete the roofs. The Cinnamon Cove community expressed elation and gratitude upon the project's completion, having successfully coordinated with a single contractor to handle all the necessary trades allowed for a streamlined process. Roserstone coated steel Clio tile in the garnet color was the roof replacement decided upon by the Cinnamon Cove Association. A true classic, the Roser Clio tile pairs the aesthetic beauty of the traditional rugged Roman barrel tile with the low maintenance and performance of high-strength steel. If your Southwest Florida home or condominiums require roof repair or replacement, you now have a sure resource by which you can be confident.